Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My channel name is here physics physics underscore mountain physics underscore mountain. And suppose if you are not getting here this type of channel, then you have to type here, that is a smart space physics smart space physics 786. You have to type, definitely you will get here my channel here, because of I am going to giving here most important question which I can become in that final exam. And no need to worry, because of here so many members they are worrying about the physics, how many times they are practicing, then also they are not going to get here physics in their mind. That's why, so this is a very good way. It can be came in front of you. Okay, and now see here I am going to explain each and every topic on the board. Okay, which are it can become in that final exam, that question only I am going to take here, and the remaining topic I am not going to take here. And after some time definitely I will teach here total complete syllabus with each and every topic along with NEET. I will give the notes to you. Okay, and now see here, this is my channel physics underscore mountain and smart space physics 786. These two channels both are me only. Okay, now I am taking here new chapter. The new chapter is, that is ray optics. Okay, new chapter is here ray optics. In that ray optics, what is the weightage of that ray optics, or means you will get here one 2-mark question and plus one 4-mark question. Total this chapter weightage is 6 marks. Total this chapter weightage is 6 marks. Okay, so in that chapter, which are the most important 2-mark questions are, means in that one, first one we are going to take here define power of convex lens. Define power of convex lens. What is its units? See here, what is the, simply we can write here. No need to write elaborately. Okay, simply you can write. What is the power of convex lens are, means the reciprocal of focal length. The reciprocal of focal length is known as here, that is power of convex lens. When 1 by f it has in meter. Okay, 1 by f it has in meter, then only it is possible we have to take here 1 by f. Okay, suppose this is the 1 by f in meters, sir. Okay, now here suppose, or suppose if you want to write here in centimeter, then you have to take here P is equals to 100 by f in centimeter. Means the focal length it has in centimeter, then you have to use this formula. Suppose the focal length it has in meter, then you can use this formula. Don't forget this one, because of you will get one problem in unexpectedly, you will get one problem in final exam. Okay, so simply he is only giving. How he is giving, sir, means suppose a focal length of a convex lens is, he is only giving a focal length of a convex lens is 50 centimeter. How much? 50 centimeter. Then find the power of convex lens. Then find the power of convex lens. Like this he is giving here. Okay, so now see here, now you have to take here power of convex lens. This is the example problem, sir. Okay, now you can take here P is equals to 100 by f, because of f it has in centimeter. So now we can take here P is equals to 100 by, what is the f value here? 50. So now we can cancel it. See, 0 0 cancel, 5 1 the 5 2 the. So how much you will get here? 2. And 2, what is the 2? So here, what is the units for this power of convex lens are, means that is the diopter. That is a diopter. Diopter. It is denoted by the symbol is capital D. Okay, it is denoted by the symbol is capital D. This is a unit for power of convex lens. And suppose if he unexpectedly, if you are getting one problem along with this formula. Okay, now see here, the focal length of a convex lens is, for example, he is giving here 50 centimeter. Then you can choose here P is equals to 100 by F centimeter value, centimeter formula. Okay. Suppose he is giving here in meter, then you can use power of convex lens, this meter formula. Okay. And don't forget, this is the most important. Only 2 marks only, but definitely he is giving here in 2 mark question. Okay. This is the first one. And next one, this is the first one, sir. Okay. And next one, what is the next problem? Next question, sir, means what is the dispersion? What is dispersion? This is the another one question. This one also most important. This one also 2 mark question. Okay. What is dispersion? What is dispersion? Question mark. Which color gets relatively more dispersed? Which color get more dispersed? See here, sir, this is your question. How can we write for this question answer? Simply we can write here. Everyone you know prism. Everyone you know, sir, that one prism. Okay. So see here. Let us consider we are taking here one prism. When a white light, okay, when a white light passes through the prism. When a white light passes through the prism. Okay. When a white light passes through the prism, this white light is split into different types of colors. That colors are called here with gap. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. So here, which color it can be more scattered are here? Means see here with jar. V I B G Y O R. This is a whip jar. These whip jars see here. V means nothing but violet. I means nothing but indigo. B means nothing but blue. G means nothing but green. Y means nothing but yellow. O means nothing but orange. And R means nothing but red color. Here red color it has a here more wavelength and less scattering. That's why because of this red color it can be considered here more penetrating power. More penetrating power. Here violet color it has a more scattering. Okay, this violet color can be considered here more scattering. So this color, this violet color it has a less wavelength. Okay, red color it has a more wavelength, less scattering, and violet color it has a more scattering and less wavelength. Okay, and now see here, how can we write the definition for it? See here, when a white light, let's see, you have to write like this only. When a white light passes through the prism, it is split into different types of colors. That is called here dispersion of light. Okay, dispersion of light. And which color can we get here? Already I told you. Okay, it's which color can we get here? Deviated star means red color also is there and violet color also is there. So which has a here less wavelength means here violet color it has a less wavelength, so it can be get here more deviated. Suppose if you can take here red color it has a more wavelength, so that's why it has a less deviated. Okay, and now see our next question. Another one question also is there, one problem also is there. See here guys, what is the given in that question sir means, he is giving here the focal length of a lens is, problem most important this one also, problem What is it given here? The focal length of a concave lens is the focal length of a concave lens is how much given? He is given here 30 centimeter. How many centimeters? 30 centimeters. Full stop. And next, where should an object be placed? Where should an object be placed? So that its image is 1 by 10 of its size. 1 by 10 of its size. 1 by 10 of its size. And next, what is it doing here? Yeah. Right. See here. So this is the question. This is your question. What is it meaning in that question? The focal length of a concave lens is. So focal length given. First of all, what is the given in the question? We have to write that one. Solution. Focal length given, that is f is equals to 30 centimeter. This is the concave lens. So concave lens means nothing but we are taking here in front of the mirror, that is a minus 30 centimeter. Minus 30 centimeter. And next one. Where should an object be placed so that its image is 1 by 10 of its size? Size means nothing but everyone you know. What is the linear magnification formula? Size of the image by size of the object. Okay, size of the image by size of the object, that is denoted by m. That is m is equals to h dash by h, and which is equals to we have to take here image distance by object distance. Okay, that is the image distance by object distance we have to take here, that is v by u. So this is the linear magnification formula. Okay, so now from this formula m is equals to v by u. So no need to write here m is equals to v by u. Directly you can take here v by u is equals to how much given here? Size. The size is 1 by 10 given. That implies, so from this formula u take and go is equal that side. Then v is equals to u1 the u by 10. This is the image distance value. So now here concave lens formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then again 1 by f value is minus 30 is equals to 1 by v value is 1 by u by 10. Okay, minus 1 by u. Then again we have to simplify. See here, minus 1 by 30 is equals to, then it will be goes to upward, that is we can get here 10 by u minus 1 by u. So it will become here, sir. Now again we can get here minus 1 by 30 is equals to, here like fraction, when the denominator can become here both are equal, so you can add only one denominator, that is u. Okay, now we have to add or subtract, this depend on situation only. See, 10 minus 1. Now again minus 1 by 30 is equals to, 10 minus 1 means nothing but 9 by u. So now do the cross multiplication, you will get here minus u is equals to 270. How it can become, sir? Means 30 into 9. So u is equals to, you will get here minus 270 centimeter. So where we have to keep the distance, object distance here at 270 centimeter. Whenever we have to keep here, denoted is possible. We will get here image, size of the image is 1 by 10. Okay, so where we have to keep u is equals to minus 270 centimeter. This is the problem. This problem also most important. Already came here in the previous last year. Okay, okay guys. And next one we are having here another one. What is that, sir? Means another one 2 marks question, that is myopia. that is myopia. First of all, what is myopia? Myopia means nothing but it has another one name, that is a nearsightedness. Nearsightedness. Nearsightedness means nothing but we can see the near objects clearly, but we cannot see the far objects. Okay? Myopia means nothing but this is a short-sightedness. Short-sightedness. Short-sightedness means nothing but we can see the near objects clearly, but we cannot see the far objects clearly. Okay? So, how can we rectify it, sir? Means by using here, that is, by using here concave lens. By using, how can we rectify here? By using here concave lens. So, how can we rectify here? By using here concave lens. Okay? We can rectify the defect. Okay? Those who are having here short-sightedness, they rectify here by using here concave lens. And second one, this one also 2 mark question, most important, this one also, hypermetropia. Hypermetropia. What is the hypermetropia, sir? Means this one also it has another one name, that is the long-sightedness. Long-sightedness or far-sightedness. So what is the hypermetropia? We can see the far objects clearly. We can see the far objects clearly, but we cannot see the near objects. Whenever we are having here this type of defect, how can you rectify these defects? Are means we can use here convex lens. We can use here convex lens. Nowadays it is a common. Okay, so many members they are not. I mean they did not see. They did not see near objects clearly. They did not see far objects clearly. So that's why how can you rectify it? Means we can use this one only. Okay, the myopia is a separate question for 2 marks question, and for hypermetropia this one also 2 mark question. What is the myopia? Myopia means nothing but this is a short-sightedness. We can see the near objects clearly, but we cannot see the far objects. Then how can you rectify its means by using concave lens? This is the answer. Okay, and now what is the hypermetropia, sir? Means this it has another one name, that is a long-sightedness or far-sightedness. How can you what is the first of all, what is the definition for hypermetropia, sir? Means we can see the far objects clearly, but we cannot see the near objects. This defect, how can you rectify it, sir? Means that is convex lens. This is the most important 2 mark question in this chapter. Okay guys, I hope you all are understand. Once again you can check this one. If you want here more and more information, please you have to comment in the below the subscribe. Please everyone. I also want that type of, if you want any information, if you want any questions, if you want any extra information, definitely I will give it to you as soon as possible. You don't worry about that. Please you have to charge that. Okay, and next one, please I request you to all members, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you very much. Bye.